That's welcome back. Year number 4. 1.6 IS. Little down on power, little stumbling on idle, a little bit of oil seepage. First is in for a service, right? This is an engine I built I think 2 years ago. This is year number 4 she's here by me, eh? She's healthy, she's looked after, en sy ry elke dag. Every single day she drives.